Good day, guys. You're welcome to Browsingtechzone YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to enter market on Shiba coin. Like, if you want to buy Shiba coin, the best time for you to buy Shiba coin so as to gain a lot of profit, so that you won't end up losing your money to the market. So, recently Shiba has gained a lot of ground following the recent performance, and a lot of people have shown interest in knowing how to buy the coin. So I've gotten a lot of message in the past few days so concerning how to buy the coin, and a lot of people really have interest in buying the coin. So after which I analyzed the request of those people that have interest in buying Shiba coin, I actually noticed a FOMO on people. A lot of people, they don't really know how these things works, and maybe they don't just want to mix out. Maybe other people are buying the coin, so they want to buy it too. So whatever the case might be, so in this guide I'm going to show you the best time to buy the coin. So if you want to buy any coin, you don't just buy it maybe because it is rising or it's pumping or a lot of people are hyping the coin. No, in cryptocurrency, if you want to venture into any coin, you must know the coin you want to buy. Like, you know some basic information about the coin. What is this coin used for? Like, you put the future of the coin into consideration. If I buy this coin, will I be able to gain profit on the long run? Is it good for long-term hold? Is it for short-term hold? These are the questions you're supposed to ask yourself if you want to buy a coin. So consider this Shiba coin. So presently we all know that the coin is on its bullish run. Let's go to market and check it out. So this is spot, and if we should check out Shiba, can you see it is rising already? So okay, it is coming down a little bit. Yes. So if you want to buy a coin, like, there are some things you're supposed to put into consideration before you decide to buy the coin. So there are some times you're supposed to enter the market. Like on this screen right now, this is Shiba coin, and this is the breakdown of how it performed in the past 24 hours. My chart is on a daily basis, so this is how it's performed in the past 24 hours. So you can see on the screen we have green candle here, and we have red candle. So these candles are what give you hints on when to buy a coin and when to sell the coin. So it will not be good if you are buying coin when others are selling, or you are selling a coin when others are buying. So as at yesterday or early yesterday, a lot of people want to buy this coin, and the coin has pumped already. Like, a lot of people are ready to quit the market. They want to sell the market. So if you buy that coin at that moment, there are high chances that you lose your money to the market, and before you'll be able to recover the money, that will be a very long period of time. So before I proceed into the main discussion of this guide, so let's take a look at Shiba coin itself. What is Shiba coin? Like, some basic information you need to know about the coin. So Shiba coin is a meme-based cryptocurrency. It was named after a dog breed. So the coin was created in 2020 by an anonymous developer. So SHIB token is built on ERC20 blockchain. So, and the SHIB itself, the SHIB ecosystem has a decentralized exchange called Shiba Swap. So the total supply, yes, the total supply of Shiba coin is, I think it is 1 quadrillion. Yes, the total supply of Shiba coin is 1 quadrillion. So these are those things you're supposed to put into consideration when you are about to buy the coin. So this will enable you to know if you are holding the coin for a very long time, or you want to just buy it and take profit. So that's that about that. So the question that prompts this video is what time are you supposed to buy the coin? The best time supposed to buy the coin. So I will not want to waste your time, and I would like to just summarize this video. So what I want you to know is that if you want to buy a coin, like when the coin is on its rise already, you just have to cool down your mind. Don't rush into market like when others are hyping the coin. Like if you buy any coin based on what people are saying about the coin, let's say the coin did 20 plus 20%, the coin did plus 30 plus 200%, and a lot of people are telling you to buy the coin, this coin is a good coin, this coin is a good buy coin. A lot of people that are telling you to buy that coin, they have bought the coin before it started pumping, and at that moment the coin is pumping, they are ready to sell the coin off and quit the market. So when they tell you to buy, a lot of people will not even tell you when they are selling their own. So at the end of the day, you might end up losing the money you used to buy the coin. So when you are trying to buy a cryptocurrency, so you have to take these two candles into consideration, which are the green candles and the red candles. When the green candle has started forming, you have to wait for it and see where it's going to close before you can decide where you're going to enter the market. You don't just enter the market at any time, at any point, like you're ready to buy a coin and you just enter the market directly like that, something like that. So let's say you enter the market when everything is green. So that means maybe the coin has done what it's about to, like it has pumped already, and that moment you buy the coin, it started to dip. So that's why it's always good for you to wait. You don't have to fear. Like if you want to catch any coin, you cannot miss out. So if you are not an expert, like you understand the technical analysis of crypto very well, it's not advisable for you to catch an uptrending. So if a coin is in uptrending position, you have to wait for it to at least let the seller overpower the buyer before you enter the market. So when you want to buy Shiba, so like the way people are hyping Shiba coin right now, I know a lot of people, they want to tap into these opportunities. So I will not say you should not tap into the opportunity, but just know how to enter the market at appropriate time and when to leave the market. That's if you want to leave the market. So you should study how market behave when you're about to enter. You must know the best time to enter the market. The primary requirement in doing this is you determine the market trend. Is it bullish? Is it bearish? Is it uptrending and is it downtrending? Once you know that, then you are good to go. No matter which coin you want to buy, don't buy any coin when the coin is pumping. That is the main issue I'm having with people that prompt me to create this video. When you buy a coin when the coin is pumping, there are high chances that you lose your money. Although there is a saying that you do not lose your money in cryptocurrency until you sell your coin. Yes, you do not lose your money until you sell your coin. But if you buy the top of the coin and the coin later dipped, it will take a very long period of time before the coin will go back to where you bought it. Hope you understand what I'm talking about. Let's say you buy a coin with $10 and when the coin started to dip, it enter $5. Before it go back to $10, that will be a very long period of time. Now imagine if you have wait and allow the coin to dip, then you enter at that $5 with your $10. You see, you are not in any way affected by the way the market is behaving at that period of time. So when the coin starts pumping hard, everyone wants to benefit from it, and many will think that it will continue to go like that. No, once a coin pumped, it must dip. So in cryptocurrency, once a coin goes up, it will surely come down. So when it goes up, before you get to know about the coin, it is very advisable for you to wait till the coin comes down before you enter the coin, like before you try to buy the coin. Once the coin pump, so it will always dip. That's constant. So whichever coin that is pumping and you like to buy, always wait for a dip before you can buy the coin, or at least a pullback, like correction, before you enter the coin. So do not buy coin when others are selling. So the main question here is, how can you know the right time to enter a trade like a coin? So these are okay, let me show you one or two things on my screen here. If you want to know when to enter a coin, so you can use the volume of the coin. You can use this Bollinger Band. This is BOLL, that is Bollinger Band, and you can use this RSI to judge what is happening in the market. Are people selling already? Are people buying? What is the rate of people buying as compared to the rate of people that are selling? So are the people selling, are they more than the people that are buying? If the people that are selling are more than the people that are buying, you know what happens, the coin will dip. And if the buyer overpowered the seller, the coin will do what? The coin will start rising. So in this case here, if you want to, okay, now let's say yesterday that let's say some people are trying to buy this coin yesterday right now. So if they have entered this coin yesterday, that means they will buy the top of this coin, and this coin has started dipping already. So that means you are losing already. And as someone that maybe you don't even have enough knowledge about crypto, before you start to panic that like this thing is coming down, so that's why it's always advisable for you to wait till it's deep before you buy. So this is what is happening here. Can you see? This is the, okay, let's check. Can you see? So it has started dipping here already. So this is the red candle here. So this is what I'm talking about. So this is the moment you should stay awake if you want to buy the SHIB coin. If you want to buy this Shiba coin, this is the moment you can buy. So you have to wait for this red candle to close. Once the red candle closed, you will know if another candle that want to form is green, or another one that want to form is red. If the another one that want to form is green, then you can maybe you check if there is probability of the green being lasting a little bit, then you can enter. And if you detect that it is another red candle, so you have to wait till it reach support. So once it gets support, you can be able to this thing to know when to enter the market. Okay, so how did you know? How can you judge as a beginner in cryptocurrency? How can you judge resistance for a coin and support for a coin? Support is when you're supposed to buy, and resistance tell you to sell. Once every coin always have a resistance at a point. I don't know, I don't want this video to be very long, and if I want to dip into this shit, it's entail a lot of explanation. But for now, okay, let me show you a little tips on how to know how to. We're in 15 minutes already. This is getting longer. So if you want to judge when to enter market, you can use your Bollinger Band. Can you see? These are the 3 lines, and the very easier one for you to use is this RSI. How can you use RSI? Check this yellow color at the bottom of this lines. That is the RSI line. So once you long click on this RSI line, once you aim on the line, you watch the figure displayed here. Can you see? This is 97. Once the value of RSI goes above 50, that means you should relax. Once it goes above 50, it is not advisable for you to buy again. Once the RSI value of a coin goes above 50, it is not advisable for you to buy. So can you see? As at yesterday, this is 97. That is maximum. It is telling you that this thing is about to fall. It has reached maximum, and that is the point where the seller will overpower the buyer, and the price of the coin will started to drop. So this is the simplest way you can determine when to enter market and when to quit. You cannot use, it is not advisable for you to use only RSI alone. You will use your RSI, Bollinger Band, the volume, and the candle patterns to know when you are going to enter. But that is discussion for another day if we are to talk about technical analysis. So but for now, I just want to show you quickly on this Shiba, so that you won't enter the market wrongly. I decided to do this video because Shiba is the trending coin right now, and people are ready to enter the coin regardless of what happened. They don't even want to know the situation of the market, how the market behaves. They just want to enter. So to cut the long story short, this is what I'm showing you before okay, so can you see? This is 72.97 here. So that is 72. If we should check this area, that is 54. So when the RSI is at 50, 54, 55, you can still, at least if you can stay awake in the market, you can still enter the coin and at least buy. But for how can I call it, to give yourself a rest of mind as a beginner in the cryptocurrency, when your RSI falls below 50, this is 73, and the coin is coming down already. Can you see the candle that formed here? The candle that is forming is red candle. It's a red candle. So once this RSI falls below 50, then if you want to buy the coin at that moment, you can buy your SHIB coin at that point. But once you see that it's above 60, 70, 80, don't buy. At that moment, the coin is pumping already, and a lot of people are ready to quit the market. And once they quit the market and you enter at that moment, the market will dump on you, and you lose your money, and it is like that. So I think I've been able to make a point here. If you have any question regarding this video, you can drop it in the comment section of this video, and I will be glad to provide you the appropriate answer in our next video. Yes, in the next video, I will the main video I want to drop is how to buy Shiba coin, how to buy Shiba Inu coin. So but before I drop that how to buy, I want to create awareness to let you know that you don't just buy coin for buying sake. You don't just buy coin because others are hyping the coin. You buy the coin because you know when you want to buy, where you want to buy, and how you want to buy. So that's why I published this video. That don't buy. This green candle is telling you to sell, not telling you to buy. Whenever you see that the market is on green candle, the candle that are forming are greens, it is not the time for you to buy. It is where the red candle take over. That's when you're supposed to buy. So when the candle is green, you're supposed to quit the market at that moment to take your profit. And then when the candle are red, then that's when you're supposed to enter the market to make 1 or 2 profit when you buy and you sell at the top. It's not that you will buy at the top and sell at the bottom. You will buy at the bottom and sell at the top. So I think you are able to grab 1 or 2 things in this video. So in our next video, I will try and explain further how to analyze a particular coin you want to enter, maybe using this candle analysis, using this RSI Bollinger Bandu in comparison with the volume. So that's that about that. Thanks for watching and do have a wonderful day.